Hi everyone, my name is Analisa and I'm a beauty advisor at the Sephora at the Grove, and today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday complexion, and it's a glowy one for combo to dry skin. So if you want to see what products I used and how I achieved it, please stay tuned. So with my eye makeup and brows done, I'm going to jump right into my complexion routine. I'm going to go in with the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. Because my main concern is dryness, this oil is perfect for my routine since it's full of antioxidants and enriches dehydrated skin. It provides a natural, clean, and long-lasting hydration without any silicones, fragrances, or essential oils. Since it's a rich oil, I'm just going to gently pat it into my skin as opposed to giving any harsh rubbing motions. This will prevent my skin from soaking up all the moisture from my foundation so it doesn't separate or disappear during the day. For my foundation, I'm using a classic favorite, which is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Nude. This foundation checks off all my main concerns when it comes to my skin. It's medium to full coverage with a nice, radiant, and natural finish that doesn't dry out my skin or aggravate my oily T-zone throughout the day. To buff it in, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection No. 56 brush. I like to start in the center of my face where I have the most redness and work my way outward for the most natural finish possible. I like this particular brush because it's small but dense enough to give me a lot of control and to provide the most natural finish possible without adding too much excess product. This foundation also has coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid to help balance and smooth your skin while providing perfect coverage that's long-lasting. It's also good for all skin types if you complement it with the proper skincare and setting routine that's ideal for your skin. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion in the shade 2N. This concealer is very complementary to the foundation because it's also a medium to full coverage with a very natural and radiant finish and is ideal for dry under eyes or skin. I chose this particular shade because it's close to my skin tone and has a slight peachy undertone to help neutralize and brighten any darkness I have under my eyes and makes me look awake. To blend out the concealer, I'm going in with the No. 71 brush from Sephora Collection. Since this formula is hydrating and medium to full coverage, it's also ideal to conceal any blemishes or any dark spots that you might be concerned about in the rest of your complexion. To set my skin without taking away too much of that glow, I'm going in with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm going to apply it with the No. 59 brush from Sephora Collection. I love this loose powder because it keeps my complexion radiant all day long without mattifying or adding texture to my skin. It's talc-free and ideal for any skin type that's concerned about dryness or fine lines or wrinkles. It's a very lightweight formula that also smooths the skin by providing the most natural and subtle luminosity. Now that I'm happy with the coverage and finish of my skin, I'm going to bring back some dimension by doing some light bronzing and contouring at the same time, using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Inda Sun. I'm going to go in with that same No. 59 brush from Sephora Collection to lightly bronze my skin for a natural finish. I'm going to gently place this product in the cheekbones and around my hairline to give back that dimension in my face in a very natural way. For my nose contour, I like to pinch the brush to give myself a little bit more of a precise application, and I like to do it on the bottom half of my nose where it's a little less pinched in. To continue with the glowy theme, I'm going to use the iconic NARS Pressed Powdered Blush in the shade Orgasm. This blush is a cult classic for all the right reasons. It has a beautiful peachy pink color with a light gold reflect to make your skin look as if it's glowing from within. It's pigmented, long-lasting, and complementary to a wide variety of skin tones. To apply the blush, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection No. 60 brush. Since I can't get enough glow in my life, I'm going to top off the blush with the NARS Illuminating Loose Powder, also in the shade Orgasm. I'm going to use the tip of that same No. 60 brush from Sephora Collection since it's a very pigmented product and a little goes a long way. I'm going to go back in with that same No. 56 brush that I used for my foundation just to clean up the edges and make sure that the blush is nice and soft. To lock in this look and make sure it lasts all day long, I'm going to finish off with the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. I chose this setting spray because it locks in my makeup with a lightweight, alcohol-free, and long-lasting formula. Just a light layer of this will make all those products melt together for a nice natural finish. To finish off this look, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Balm Universal Lip Luminizer in the shade Fenty Glow. This little gem is a great universal nude that enhances your natural lip color. The shea butter in this formula provides comfortable hydration without being too sticky. So this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments below what your favorite glowy complexion products are. And I'll see you next time.